Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this functional equation where we have f of 1 over x equals x plus root 1 plus x squared. I want to find f of x. So we should note that from here, the value of x is greater than 0 for us to have a defined function. And to solve this kind of equation, so we consider from this domain as 1 over x, we are going to let it to another letter, so called substitution. So suppose we let this 1 divided by x, if I let it to be equals y, that is, we try to make y the subject of the x the subject of the formula, so for us to have what we want to find. And here we have the cross multiplication becomes xy equals 1, and when we divide both sides by y, so that we have y cancelled y, and here x equals 1 divided by y. Then we try to replace it. So by replacement, we have f of, instead of 1 over x, we replace it with y, then equals, so our x now becomes 1 over y plus the square root of 1 plus, so here is 1 divided by y raised to power of 2. So here we have f of y equals 1 divided by y plus the square root of, so by rule of indices, 1 will take square, and 1 square is 1, then y will also take its own square. So we have to finish this thing up as we have f of y equals 1 divided by y plus, we try to find the LCM, then we multiply this with this as y squared plus 1 divided by y squared. And again we have f of y equals 1 divided by y plus, so we separate this as the root of y squared plus 1 divided by the root of y squared. So with what we have here, this and this cancelled, but this and this can never cancel because the operation between them is addition. Then we have f of y equals 1 divided by y plus the square root of y squared plus 1 divided by y. And here we have f of y equals, so by taking the LCM, we have at the numerator as 1 plus the square root of y squared plus 1 divided by y. But what we want to find here is f of x. So we just use this one as just to rewrite the expression for us to have 1 over x looking as x. Then y and x here both are the same because both are members of real number, not equals 0. Then we are going to replace this one with y, with x, and we have f of x equals 1 plus the square root of x squared plus 1 divided by x, as the value of x here is not equals is greater than 0, that is not equals to 0. And here is how to solve this. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.